Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the dorsal diver on aerial silks. If you're new here, my name's Brendan. I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel I make videos about all things aerial. So if you enjoy circus fun, subscribe and turn on the bell to become a member of our high flying family. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start with 2 to 3 climbs to make sure you have enough height for the drop. If you haven't already learnt the Stardrop Le Scorpion, I recommend getting comfortable with that drop first before trying this one. I'll leave a link in the top right corner. Reach up to separate the silks, bring your legs through the middle, and then straddle invert and crochet your legs from the outside in. Keeping tension on the silks with your hands, cross them behind your back once, and then bring the tails in front of your shoulders into your armpits. Bend one knee and sit up, followed by the other side. Once you're here, roll backwards like a skin the cat into your extension. Make sure your hands aren't too high. The roll is a lot easier if you extend your knees to move some of your body weight to the other side of your hands. Keep your arms squeezed into your sides and hold onto the tails with your armpits. Once you've rolled through, remember to extend as much as you can and hold the position for a few seconds. Next, let the silks drop from your armpits and wrap your legs from the outside in twice. I'm still trying to work out how to make this part look a little bit more graceful. When you're ready to drop, simply let go with your hands and catch the poles on the way through, or bring your arms out into a T. To exit, let the silks unravel, the cross should fall on its own, and then come back to a climb. Usually the part that people find most challenging in this drop is the second invert. This is usually because you've reached up too high with your hands. You need a lot more strength to re-invert from this position. If you're finding the second invert hard, try lowering your hands closer to your knees. This will mean you can roll through to the extension rather than having to muscle through an invert. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube about this drop, so if you've learnt it before, let me know in the comments below what it's called at your studio. I'll leave another video here in case you haven't already seen it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!